of Standard 6, Chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Today we will find magic of our birth date. It interesting? See, here I have 4 cross 4 blank magic square. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a column. So I have 4 cross 4 magic square, and I wrote above that magic square birthday magic. So it's interesting. Let's start. Now in the first row I will put my birth date. Suppose I am taking birthday 25th 11/2007. You can see here birthday 25th 11/2007. When you enter your birth date in a square blocks, one basic rule about this magic square is you have to put only 1 or 2 digit number in a one block. Means in this block if you are taking any number, you have to take up to 1 to 99, not more than 2 digit. But whenever you are taking your birth date, it is up to 1 to 31, but obviously here I will take 25. So in a first block I have to write 25, in a second block I have to write 11, in a third block. Now I have 4 digit number, you can see here, because our year in 4 digit number. So I will take first 2 digit here and last 2 digit here. I hope you all can understand this thing. After entering our birth date in a first row, you have to find sum of 2 middle numbers in a first row. Here you can see this number and this number. It is my middle number of this row. So sum of these two numbers you have to find. Now 11 plus 20. Here you can see 11 plus 20 is equal to 31. Now what is my rules? Find 2 numbers other than the numbers already figuring in the magic square. Means I have 11 and 20. I have to find other numbers that addition should be 31. So suppose I will take number 15 and 16. 1, 5, 15 and 16. It is also my addition of 31. You can see here these two numbers I have to place in the first and the last block of the last row. First and the last block of the last row. So which one these two numbers I have to put? 11 or 20 or 15 or 16? As I told you, you have to change the number, but addition remains same. So I will take 15 and 16. The sum of n numbers of one diagonals should be equal to the sum of 2 numbers of the middle one of the other diagonals. Means now you can see the end of numbers of the diagonals you have available. Okay, 4 numbers are here. First I have to find these 2 numbers addition. These 2 number addition is 25th plus 16 is equal to 41. जैसे कि हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप में किया, we did addition of 11 and 20 and we got 31, but we can not take these 2 numbers same like here also 41. I want addition of 41, so I will take 17 plus 24, but addition remain same. You can see here. So I will take 17 plus 24. That number I have to put on the other diagonals middle one. So 17 and 24. Here suppose I will put 17 and here 24. You can see here 17 and 24. Now if you observe our one diagonal completed. In the same case, fill the 2 empty box of the other diagonals, means these 2. For these diagonal we took these 2 number additions. So for this diagonal we will take these 2 number addition. So 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. Now other number, suppose I will take 10 plus 12. That one also equal to 22. So I will put 10 plus 12. Now you observe our two diagonals completed. Now we have to fill up these 6 blocks for these two any two blocks. Suppose I have these 3 numbers. Only one is remaining. 25 plus 11 plus 20 plus 7. So you can see addition of this row is equal to 63. Okay, so you know that addition of one row is equal to 63. Now we will do next step. What we have to do, 3 digits, these 3. We have to find this one number, 11 plus 10 plus 70. 11 plus 10 plus 70. Here you can see the addition of number is 38. Yes. Now I have total number, means total addition of the first row, that was 63. So what I will do, subtract 38 from 63. So I will get 25. This number I have to put here. See, you can see here 25. Same like for this row, if I will take addition of these 3 numbers, 20 plus 24 plus 12, then answer will be 56, and I will subtract this 56 from 63. So you can see my answer is 7. So I will put 0, 7. Now we have to fill up these block, this block, this block and this block. For this, first we will take these 2 blocks. You have to do addition of these 2, 25 plus 50. Suppose that addition of 25 and 50, I got answer 40, 40. Same like last steps, we have to take another number, but before it, you know that addition of these row is equal to 63. So we have to subtract addition of these 2 number from 63. So I will subtract 40 from 63. I will get 23 number. Now I have to use any 2 number for that addition is 23. Suppose I will take 18 plus 5. That addition will 23. You can see here. So I will write 18 plus 5 here. Same like we will do for last column. Now you can see here only this block and this block remain. So we have these 3 number as we did for this row and this row, say column, same like 18 plus 10 plus 24. You can see 18 plus 10 plus 24 is 52. Our total is 63. 63 minus 52 we will get 11. So directly we can write number 11. Now same like for this row, 5 plus 17 plus 12. You can see 5 plus 17 plus 12, 34. So we have to subtract 34 from 63. So we will get 29. Okay. Now we will check all the addition. First of all, addition of these diagonal. 25 plus, first we already did 25 plus 11 plus 20 plus 7, it is my 63. Same like suppose I will take this diagonal, 15 plus 17 plus 24 plus 7 is equal to also 63. For these also 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 12, 47 plus 16 is equal to 63. Same like you can check all columns like these 4 columns and these 3 rows that remain. Check it, all answers would be remain same. It will come 63. Now what is the concept behind of this activity? In your chapter number 1, one rule is there that if you want to complete your magic square, you have to check your all rows total, means first rows total same like all diagonals, all columns, that should be same. For this we are doing this activity. I hope you all will enjoy it.